let me ask you, your Royal Highness, what is your own understanding why Governor Sim would seem to be so laid back? Because I'm trying to understand or remember any governor, that would allow their predecessor in office, push them to the wall and, try to beat them down as much as Governor Fubara.
Well, I've told you the man is a peaceful person. And you can see he's silent. Silent is golden. And silent is powerful. For Wike, he has conquered. And the person is not talking. Now you are the one shouting everywhere. The person has not told you anything. He has not said anything. But he's just silent. He has not talked to anybody. He has not spoken to any Rivers man, this is my ambition or this is what I want to be. You can see his form was not bought by him.
He has not granted any media interview or anything.
He has not said anything. And yet you are worried. Why are you worried? Because you know that you don't have capacity. You just make propaganda. And propaganda is not the end of the game. We must see the game clearly. We have not said anything. Let SIM tell Rivers people, and Nigerians will see. The whole world will see. If SIM is the type of Wike, even the emergency rule cannot take place, because it will show that if you do it, Nigeria, the foundation of Nigeria will shake. But it's reserved. It's just allow things to go. I told you there were instances where we had to jail the assembly members for perjury and other things. He refused to take action. If we went to court on his behalf, up to Supreme Court, he never wanted to give us one naira to support us. We say, just leave it, just leave it. Let's let God's wish be done. And you are worried. Why are you worried?
And now, speaking specifically about Governor Fubara, why is he delaying in coming out? Because you're an elder statesman, a Rivers elder. If someone of your stature does not even know exactly where the governor stands, is that not, just throwing up the towel and saying, I give up?
He has told everybody to remain calm. Nobody should fight.
The time is limited.
Nobody should speak. Nobody should talk.
Yes.
We should allow them to play the game. Nomination will come. Party will choose their candidates. Thereafter, there will be reactions. He has asked everybody not to. All those which we think you are working for him, you support him, please don't speak. Whatever I'm speaking today is because I speak as an elder statesman. Otherwise, I'm not speaking for SIM. I'm speaking for the interest of Rivers State. How Rivers people are feeling. I have nothing against Kelly George. I have nothing against Toyin Cole. Of course, you know Toyin Cole's father. Dele Cole was my Oga. I served him for several years. So I have nothing against him. But the reality on ground is what I'm telling you. You see, there's a way a child will behave, that his actions, everything will be adhered to him. Because he's not a proud person. Yeah. He's not arrogant. So you can see that, who is this guy? Action speaks louder than voice. His action within this few period has demonstrated the fact that he really comes to develop Rivers State. And you are trying to stop him. You are asking several demands. You collected 350 billion constituency project. We have not seen what you have done. The North State decided they want 1 billion. Now we are saying 10 billion before budget will be passed. And the man said, okay, let us stay. So what kind of demand? You don't have interest of Rivers State at heart. We can just cry foul. Okay, you said assembly is not complete. Assembly is completed. You will now operate in assembly. Go and sit in assembly. Let me present budget. He said no. So why are you becoming a bottleneck? You are a problem to the governor. And he doesn't want to react in a way that people will take over the matter and it becomes something else. So allow things to go and come.
President Tinubu is done 3 years now, by 29th of this month. Give him a score. 1 to 10, give him a score.
Well, I can say there's hunger in the country.
Hunger?
In the country.
But you don't look hungry, sir.
There's hunger in the country. Mr. President should know how he runs the place. Insecurity is another major problem we have. He has not been able to address the insecurity problem. The hunger issue is there. The fuel price is going up every day because of the inefficiency in the NLPC sector. These are the areas we will expect him to handle before he asks for second term. I am not the person to vote for him. Like I said, if you can do the remediation for us, Niger Delta people will be happy. But Nigeria generally, we're having food scarcity because there is no agriculture caused by insecurity. And that is why we are saying, don't allow them not only to produce food, restore our environment so that we can also produce food. If there's crisis in one part of the country, other part of the country should be able to provide food. So food scarcity is there, there's insecurity there, and for him to allow Wike to do what he's doing, it's also another problem we have in this country. Until he addresses these things, Nigerians will look at him with two eyes. So let him address it. I don't have anything against him. We have said presidency should be in the South for 8 years. He should not disappoint the Southerners.
So you don't mind him going for a second term?
Well, it's his own constitutional right. His own constitutional right to contest for second term.
But any of the candidates that promised to do remediation of the Niger Delta environment?
It's our darling.
Fantastic.
That's our darling. If you want to remediate our environment, and you can actually do it, not promising and not doing it. If you can do that for us, the people of Niger Delta will be happy. If you can reform an NPC, if you can reform, not just clean it, if you can reform an NPC, get environment to be serious with the environmental laws and protect our environment, we are with you. We will support you to produce as much as 10,000 barrels of crude, 10 million barrels of crude oil per day. That's our concern. Because if we have that, everything will be well for Nigeria.
Fantastic. Nice place to anchor.
It's a pleasure.
Your Royal Highness. Nice having you.
It's a pleasure.
It's been a wonderful experience.
Thank you.
See you next time, sir.